Hello friends, and welcome to another plushie making video. Today I'm making these Luvdisc Pokemon, and since Valentine's Day is coming up, I made them like candy hearts. The pattern is free and linked in the description below, so let's get started. First things first, embroidery. The eye files come with the pattern, and the text came from my program. I'll just clean this up. Now I'll take the paper pattern and I cut the eye and cheek out and align it up with the embroidery. Then trace the pattern onto the back. It does come with seam allowance. I'm drawing it on my fabric without the seam allowance, but you can use it if you want to. If you don't have an embroidery machine, don't worry. You can make eyes using applique felt pieces. The pattern for these parts is also included. What you'll do is cut out these pieces and sew the colors together using a whip stitch. I'm just going right across the blue here. Now the little white heart. And with that same whip stitch, attach the whole piece to the body. And also the little heart cheek. Cut out the pieces. And now we have the beak in a lighter pink color. And these will be aligned to the body pieces and pinned in place. Sewing magic! Now take each body piece and align them together. Try to align this nose area too so the colors line up. pinning all together, and this spot will be left open to turn and stuff. And voila! Cut off the excess fabric. And clip the seams on the rounded parts, just going in with a small scissor, making little nicks. Now, if you want to, you can add magnets to the nose to make it a kissing love disc. These are called neodymium magnets, and they're super strong in terms of sticking to each other. These ones I have are really small though, so they're kind of weak, but if you get bigger ones, they'll be very strong, even through fabric. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to use this tiny guy, and what I'm doing is basically making a little pocket for it inside the plush. You can glue it too to make it stay in place, but I'm taking a small bit of fabric and I'm just sewing it right to the seam allowance here on the nose. And now we'll see that the other magnet sticks to it. Turning it all right side out now, and gonna stuff it. Once it's all stuffed, close with a ladder stitch and do some finishing touches. And that's how you make a love disc. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to check out my other videos for more plushie sewing and tutorials. Once again, the pattern for this plush is linked in the description, and I'll have my site with a whole bunch of other patterns down there as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!